In this session, let us solve a question from CSIR NET June 2024. The question is from Boolean gates. The logic levels H and L at different locations in a digital circuit are found to be as shown in the figure. Based on these observations, which of the logic gates is not behaving as an ideal NAND gate? So what is a NAND gate? NAND gate symbol is like this. If you give inputs A and B, then you will get output as Y is equal to AB bar. If you draw the truth table for NAND gate, for a 2-input NAND gate, truth table, then it will be like this. If both the inputs are high, then the output will be low. In all the other cases, you have output equal to high, because output is AB bar. If you take AB bar for the first case, you have 1 into 1 bar, which is 0. In all the other cases, we have 0 into 1 bar, 1 into 0 bar, 0 into 0 bar. All of these are 1. Therefore, the only way that we get output as low is when both the inputs are high. So using this conclusion, we can check if these gates are behaving as an ideal NAND gate or not. So let us consider first G1. Here we have one input as high, another is low. In this case, the output must be high, and here it is given output is high. Therefore, G1 is behaving as an ideal NAND gate. In the case of G3, the inputs are high and high. Both the inputs are high. When both the inputs are high, then we expect the output to be low. And here we are getting low. Therefore, G3 is also ideal NAND gate. In the case of G2, both the inputs are low. When both the inputs are 0, then we are getting the output as high. And we are getting here also, therefore G2 is also an ideal NAND gate. In the case of G4, the inputs are low and high, but still we are getting low as the output, which is not expected, because the only way we get the output as low in the NAND gate is when both the inputs are high. But here you can see this input is low and this input is high. One input is low, still we are getting low. So this gate G4, it is not an ideal, it is not behaving as an ideal NAND gate. Therefore, option 3 is the correct answer here. G4 is not behaving as an ideal NAND gate.